Hey all, Will Healy. Headed out to eKAMI to see what's going on in Eastern Kentucky and the kinds of workforce solutions they're working out there. Should have a really good day today, and looking forward to sharing with you all the great things going on there.
The latest workforce numbers are in, and there's over 900,000 unfilled jobs in manufacturing. eKAMI is taking ex-coal miners and teaching them to be machinists and creating for them new opportunities and reskilling for the jobs that we have available in the state of Kentucky. Founded by the passionate Kathy Walker, eKAMI students go on to really fulfilling careers. It's funded initially by a $1.5 million grant from the Gene Haas Foundation, and the first class graduated in November of 2017. Look at all these great people learning machining. They graduate with a NIMS certificate, and on one side is the adult program, on the other side is the high school graduate program. But most impressively, after they learn machining, they don't leave eKAMI until they have experience programming and setting up cobots and robots. And this allows them to be able to run their own machine tending applications once they land their first job. From cobots to robots to AGVs and AMRs, they get such great robot exposure. And of course, the highlight of the day was getting to represent Balov and share my passion for automation with all of the students, staff, and instructors at eKAMI. There were so many excellent questions and engaged people. I've never had a presentation like it. You could feel the passion for manufacturing in every student. Coal mining Kentucky is a connected place with waterways, railways, and roadways. Not only is this a home of hardworking, impressive miners turned machinists, it's also a spectacular landscape to drive through, visit, and live. Thanks to the students, staff, instructors, and everyone at the Eastern Kentucky Advanced Manufacturing Institute. That was an incredible day, and I really was honored to spend time with you.